Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 24RR Black Label. As we get started, this camper comes in at 33 feet 4 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right at 6,300 pounds empty. Up front here we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime when you're hooking up. Two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Has the hard shell cover with a quick access lid here. Right behind that, we have your diamond plate rock guard. We have the curved radius front end. Part of the Black Label package is the fiberglass on the outside, the deep tinted frameless windows, and you also get these magnetic door catches here. Up front with this storage, lots of storage in there. We have a built-in light. Power cord comes with it. We have electric jacks on here, so there'll be a switch underneath. You simply hold that button down. One leg will come down and engage, then the other one will come down and they equal out in pressure to stabilize the camper for you. We have an entrance door going right into the bedroom here with your handle and double steps going in. Right behind me, we are actually going to have this holographic light shining down with the wolf head emblem. So at nighttime, that'll really pop for you and separate you from the others. We have your 15-foot power awning with the blue LED accent lights as well, where each leg is adjustable so you can adjust the pitch of the awning here if the sun's coming down. We have your outside kitchen with the griddle included. We have your refrigerator, ice maker, and water source here. There is an LP quick disconnect underneath so you can use the gas on the camper instead of taking an extra tank along with you. Outside speakers that light up blue. We have your TV connections here, furnace vent. Down below, you'll notice that the center cap is popped off. These are the quick, easy lube axles. All four wheels are going to have self-adjusting brakes on them and a tire pressure monitoring system. The side of this will turn red if you're low on air, so you can simply walk around and do a visual check before you head out for your next destination. We have the Black Label light as well, which lights up blue there. The main entrance door, we have your oversized grab handle. The sturdy steps going in where each leg is adjustable. Full-size entrance door on the front and back that are tempered glass. They have the built-in window and a full-size screen door as well. We are pet friendly. We have the leash latch so the furry family members can tag along here. We have your ventilation system for the garage. We'll have one on the other side as well so you can keep ventilation going when you're traveling down the road. We have the porch system all set up on the patio deck here. We have a nice bright LED light up top and a backup camera that comes with it. Up top on this side, you'll notice there's a ladder prep up there. So you can buy a telescoping ladder, hook it in and get up there for maintenance purposes. And then down underneath here, we have a sewer hose holder. So a tube to keep your sewer hose while traveling. This is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord for you. Black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook up your water hose and that'll blast out the black tank for you. We have your outside shower with hot and cold water. It is a low pressure spray port here. Underneath that, we have your water fill station, city water on the right. So if you're at a campground, you hook up your water hose and that'll pressurize the lines for you. If you are dry camping or boondocking, you simply fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump, and use that water. Over here we have a light by your connections and your dump station down below, so at nighttime you can still see what's going on. If the campground offers cable, you can tap into it right there. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is gas only since it's on demand, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Gray Wolf 24RR Black Label. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice we have another light shining down that says Black Label. We'll step inside here. You got the patio system in the back with the sofa. We have your kitchen and overhead cabinets here. Lots of great kitchen space. And then right inside the entrance door, we have kind of your main control panel where you can check how full and empty your tanks are. Turn on your water pump, lights. There is also 12-volt heated pads on all of your holding tanks here, so that switches up here. And to run your awning in and out, we have your entertainment center up top. Connections are going to be hidden behind that. Nice kitchen window We have your stereo down below, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. Your fireplace, which will put off heat, or it can be on just for looks, and a shoe garage down below to kick your shoes off and hide those underneath. We have your furnace underneath the microwave. We also have your microwave, which also doubles as an air fryer. 3-burner stove top, which has the glass cover for prep space. Range vent to vent outside, and more overhead storage that have the really cool metal mesh fronts there. And again, with another large window here in the kitchen. We have the farmhouse style sink with the high-rise faucet that also includes the pull-out sprayer. Right behind that, we're going to have 2 outlets right on the wall. Above that is your digital thermostat for the air conditioner and furnace. I'd also like to point out the upgraded countertops here. These are solid surface countertops in the Black Label package. And we have more storage down below. Before we head back into the bathroom bedroom area, I would like to point out the refrigerator here, which is a 12-volt fridge. We do have 100 watts of solar mounted on the roof already. The 12-volt fridge will give you more storage inside. It is much deeper than the older gas electric style. Down below, we have your breakers and fuses on the left. The red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch that will kill all 12-volt power to the battery. We have a voltmeter, and then also your CO2 detector down below. Next up is the pantry. We'll open this up here and take a look. Lots of shelves. Goes all the way from floor to ceiling. Get lots of great storage in there. And now we'll move into the bathroom area. In this model, you do walk through the bathroom to get to the bedroom. And right directly across, you'll notice that we have the sliding door going into the bedroom. Up top, we have the large exhaust fan here. AC is ducted all the way through. We have this great counter space with the extension coming over. Light switch, your thermostat for the on-demand water heater, and another 110 outlet there. Down below with some storage. Underneath the vanity, more storage down there. We have this unique large bowl here in the bathroom. Gives it a really nice look as well. And of course with the corner medicine cabinet, which gives you more storage space in that. As we spin around, I will close this door, and you will notice in the shower area, we have a skylight up top. Also part of the Black Label package is going to be this fancy shower head that has 4 different shower points on it, including the rainfall up top, and it still has the handle that comes off on the side. Skylight up above, we have the shower surround and the shower curtain to pull across. And down below, we have the toilet right beside it. And now we will move into the main bedroom area. We're going to have your RV queen size mattress here that has the comforter with it. Window over here, and we have the door on the other side, so you can get some really great cross ventilation in here. On both sides of the bed, we're going to have a power source. Over here with the green light is a USB and USB-C charge port, 110 outlet, and then also a place where you can buy a portable speaker, dock it there and keep it charged. Hanging storage on both sides, storage above the bed with doors as well. You can see we have these lights above the bed. They can either be white as a reading light or blue for a decorative light. Over on the right hand side, we have an inverted 110 outlet. So what that means is you can actually use that 110 outlet when you're traveling down the road, even if you only have 12-volt power. Here's a look from the inside with this door up in the bedroom. And also unique with this floor plan is you get more storage up here. So we have the doors up top, open storage in the middle, and cabinets down below. And you can see the furnace is also ducted all the way through into the bedroom. And there is a TV bracket here with connections up top. So very easy to add a TV in the bedroom area. We will walk back out here and get a nice overview Up top, you'll notice that we have 3 speakers, 1 subwoofer, and 2 other speakers, and those also light up blue. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 24RR Black Label. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.